Honorable Minister for Finance and Revenue, members of the Federal Board of Revenue, members of the media community, ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Last week, Minister for Finance and Revenue laid before the Parliament the most significant sales tax policy reform in the history of the country before the Parliament. And today we are going to unveil most significant sales tax administration reform package in the history of the country. This is what we have for today, sir. We are going to unveil the sales tax filing system. The one we had, we are going to discard it, and the one we are going to put in place, we are going to lay bare its various facets. I would be explaining to the media and the House where we were, what we have done right now, and where does it take us, and where we want to be going forward. So constitutionally speaking, sales tax is to be, it has a fragmented tax base. Federation is empowered to collect sales tax on goods. Provinces are empowered to collect sales tax on services. Autonomous regions like Azad Jammu and Kashmir and GB, and to a certain degree Islamabad Capital Territory, collect sales tax on both goods and services. But under the Constitution, we have one economy and one market, whereby a citizen can operate in economic sense anywhere in the country. It is under this arrangement that taxpayer of one jurisdiction ends up paying sales tax in other jurisdiction or jurisdictions. So apparently this is a very, very simple arrangement, but this is not so. At practical level, there are 7 tax administrations which compete against each other on the same taxpayer and on the same tax base, and which in turn makes the life of the citizen and the business entrepreneur miserable. These are the 7 administrations which compete. So this is currently where we are. A taxpayer has to obtain multiple sales tax registrations, potentially with 7 tax administrations. A taxpayer in this country has to, file multiple sales tax returns and payments to 7 tax agencies separately. It, of course, exorbitantly takes up the compliance cost. He has to file multiple withholding statements. It is under this arrangement that a taxpayer has to potentially file 144 sales tax returns per annum. This, of course, enhances compliance cost and enhances chances of error and possibilities of leakages. The current system doesn't have automatic revenue sharing mechanism among us tax agencies, no automatic data sharing between various tax administrations. It leads to unending disputes and litigation. It also causes delays in refunds and adjustments, and there is a checkered enforcement regime in place. This system was unacceptable, sir. Ever since you have taken the charge, you have always been very vociferous on it, and you want provinces to be taken along. We have been trying to enforce whatever your directions have been. On 7th of April, we were able to sign MOU with all provincial revenue authorities to have one single portal, essentially one single tax return. Between April and September 2021, our IT arm, PRAL, did a fantastic job and they were able to develop a solution with the help of the IT wing of the Federal Board of Revenue. Between September and October, sir, hectic meetings were held with provincial authorities. Demos were given, demos were taken, and user testing was done by provinces, and the officers were coming here repeatedly. In November 2021, interactions with tax bars was taken, and the demos were given, and user testing was undertaken. On December 1st, eventually, sir, we were able to, launch our invoice management system on which the sales tax return is eventually filed. Sales tax return for December 2021, which is to be filed in January 2022, now will be filed on national sales tax return. Provinces have been requested to encourage their registered persons to file their national sales tax returns. So where does it take us? Now we are going to have single monthly sales tax return. This is what national sales tax return is all about. A taxpayer would be filing one return whereby the tax revenue attributable to all other 6 agencies would automatically be credited. It would have single registration filing. Now, a taxpayer wouldn't have to, register himself for 7 times. One sales tax registration would be enough. Automatic compliance management system, one notice through the same IRS system. Automatic input credits and refund verification. The refund verification and input verification would be automatic through our Strive system. Automatic distribution of due taxes amongst all revenue authorities. It would take away the problem of cross-input adjustments, which is a niggling problem between the federation and the provinces. One very revolutionary thing that we have done is, sir, now we are linking all economic transactions with the HS code. Quantity and value. This would take care of your flying invoices and fake invoices issue. It would promote standardization of taxability, one taxation regime all across the country, and it would standardize tax rates. You all know in multiple taxing jurisdictions, currently there are multiple rates, which creates problems for various taxpayers to claim inputs, claim refunds. This solution would take care of that. It would minimize human interface. It would promote national harmony and cohesion. It would substantially increase a rating on the ease of doing business indicator. It would, of course, improve enforcement. So this is where we want to be actually. We have already started the project of developing national income tax return now, which would take care of all incomes of the citizen, which are to be taxed by the federation, and those which are to be taxed by the sub-federating units. We are in the process of constituting interagency forum to resolve any issues that may be, latent in this system. Although we have given it robust testing, then we have rolled out, but still if there are any problems, there would be interagency cooperation framework under which we'll resolve all these issues. We would continue to simplify national sales tax return to further improve the system. The data that we are going to capture would be leveraged to broaden the tax base and plug the plug revenue leakages. We are in the process of designing simultaneous joint tax audit across tax administrations. It would, sir, as per your vision, will be enhancing a tax to GDP ratio to 15%, inshallah, over the short term. And this single intervention is going to contribute substantially toward that end. Thank you very much. This is the national sales tax return is all about. And now I would request Honorable Finance Minister to unveil the and launch the new NSTR.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Chairman FBR, ladies and gentlemen, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मेरे ख्याल में ये एक बहुत बड़ा माइलस्टोन है जो आज FBR ने अचीव किया है और मैं उनको मुबारकबाद देता हूँ और मैं बाकी जो हमारे प्रोविंशियल रेवेन्यू डिवीजन्स हैं उनको भी मुबारकबाद देता हूँ कि उन्होंने एक प्लेटफॉर्म पे आके जो हमारे जो टैक्स पेयर्स हैं उनकी ज़िंदगी आसान कर दी। और ज़ाहिर है इन्होंने जिस तरह आपको बताया मुझे भी थोड़ी सी समझ लगी इस पर कि सेल्स टैक्स गुड्स पे भी हैं और सेल्स टैक्स सर्विसेज में। हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के मुताबिक जो सेल्स टैक्स है गुड्स पे वो तो फेडरल डोमेन में आता है